Hey, what's up and welcome to my new video. Today we're talking about the new Pixel 6a. It is an upcoming phone from Google and you can pre-order it right now and it will come out at the end of this month, exactly on the 28th of July. And as you may know, if you follow my channel or maybe if you follow the tech world, the Pixel 6a, it is the low budget version or maybe the cheaper version of the Pixel 6. Because as always, Google just present their flagship phone like Pixel 5, Pixel 6 or Pixel 7 that will come out at the end of this year. And then they will present the cheaper option with the A after the number, we can say. So Pixel 6, Pixel 6a. So let's talk about it very quickly here on this channel. And also, if you have seen my previous video on my channel, I was talking about the Nothing Phone 1, and I will compare these two phones because they are very similar in some way, and actually they cover the same field, so the mid-range phones. And where I live, the prices of both of these phones are very similar, so that's why I'm gonna compare it. But first of all, let's talk about very quickly about this Pixel 6a. As I said before, it's a standard mid-range phone from Google. The good thing it is that it does have the same chipset as the flagship phone, so it does still have the Tensor chip, so the chip made from Google, and with that you have all the feature that you can have on the bigger Pixel, we can say. Then you do lose a lot of feature, so a lot of top smartphone feature. For example, you lose a 50 megapixel camera in the back, you lose the zoom camera, and you have only two cameras on the back, and they are the main camera and the ultra wide angle camera, and they are both from 12 megapixel. Then you lose the big screen, and on the Pixel 6a you will have like a much smaller screen, but you have only 60 Hz screen. So I'm gonna say it right now that this, for me, it is kind of a deal breaker. And for the rest, pretty much you have a standard Pixel 6, but for a very much low price. Anyway, this is the Pixel 6a, and let's compare it also to the Nothing Phone 1. And in my opinion, the Nothing Phone 1 here seems like the best choice. The only thing that you could have more on the Google phone, it is the operating system, if you like the Android stock experience, but directly from Google, and so the Pixel OS, we can call it like that. And also if you like the natural look on the photos, because yes, on the Nothing Phone 1 you have two main cameras that are both from 50 megapixels, so the megapixel are a lot higher, but the photo quality, I don't think they will be the same, and on this field I think the Pixel 6a takes the lead. Also, one advantage that has the Pixel 6a on this field, on the camera field, it is the video recording, because you can record up to 4K and 60 FPS, while on the Nothing Phone 1 you can record only up to 4K 30 FPS. And also one more thing that you have on the Pixel, it does have a certification for the IP rating. It is rated IP67, so it does resist pretty much to water and dust. And on the Nothing Phone 1 you do have a certification, so it is also rated IP, but it is 53. You can only get some splashes of water on your phone, but in exchange of that you do get a 120 Hz screen on the Nothing Phone 1. And as I was saying before, for me on the Pixel 6a this is a deal breaker, because I was very tempted to get one of these Pixel 6a. And by the way, if you want to see that phone on this channel, just let me know it down below in the comment, and maybe I will try to get it and also do some tests, because the price is very appealing for a phone like that, especially for a phone from Google. And also there is a promo. If you pre-order the phone, you can get also the Pixel Buds, and the deal was not too bad, but with less than 50 euros more you can get the Nothing Phone 1 that, as I was saying before, the 120 Hz screen, it does make the difference for me. I don't know if I can still use a 60 Hz phone. Sometimes I try to use a phone with 60 Hz, but it is kind of annoying. If you are not the type like me that always want the high refresh rate screen, I mean, you can easily buy it, because I think it is a very good choice anyway. And also on the Nothing Phone 1 you can get the fast charging, because on the Pixel 6a it is only limited to 18 watts, so it is very slow. And also the most important thing, it is that on the Nothing Phone 1 you have a very particular phone. So if you are seeking something for design, the Nothing Phone 1 takes 1 point here, because I mean, I like more the square design, and also I like the fact that they did something different in the back, so it is very particular phone. For the design, I think that the Pixel 6, it is not one of my favorites. And of course, you do get also the wireless charging and reverse wireless charging on the Nothing Phone 1, that it is a very useful feature for most of people right now. So I repeat, if the Pixel 6a did have a 120Hz screen, I think that I would get it, but with that 60Hz screen, I mean, I'm not very confident to try a phone with 60Hz, as I said before. Let me know down below in the comments what you prefer between these two phones, because they are very similar, especially in price, and also in operating system, because both has some pretty much Android stock skin. So I'm very curious, let me know it down below in the comments which you prefer. And I think for this video that's pretty much it. It was a very short video just to let you know about this Pixel 6a in case you've missed it, and I hope you liked it. So if you did, just leave a like down below because it's free, and also what is free, subscribe to this channel so you can help me to keep making this type of content. And as always, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.